Hello, welcome into Rock Painting 101. Today we are going to be making ninja rocks. Now, my son has always loved ninjas, so I thought this would be a fun rock to paint to hide around town for kids to find, or if you have a little one around, you can create one for them. Now, I'm using black for my ninja. Now, my stones are kind of a flesh color anyways, so I'm not going to put anything down for the flesh color itself. If you are working on gray rock or even a completely white rock, you're going to want to put down a little bit of a flesh color, and you'll see the spot as we work that you would want to add that to. So we're going to start by doing the top of our ninja's head. This is his forehead and his mask kind of covering the top of his head. His forehead and his hood. And now we're going to create the opening in his mask. So you're going to leave enough space for just the little eyes there. Almost like a banana shape we're going to leave behind. So I guess if you're starting off and you need to put down your color, kind of go with the banana shape. Black is going to cover up whatever you use for the flesh tone, so you can clean it up. Go on the side of too much so you can cover some up if you need. Now we need to bring that mask down so that it can cover his mouth area. And we're going to finish off whatever size you want the head of your ninja to be. Okay, so we want to make sure we're connected top to bottom on the sides. And clean up your lines. Now for this version of our ninja, we're going to go ahead and put our body on the rock, and it's going to be out of proportion. This is just a fun style rock. So what we're going to do is create a very long skinny U shape, a line down the middle, and then a little bit on either side in a U shape. There we go. And that's how we're going to make our ninja's body. And then I've got a slightly smaller brush over here that I'm going to use for our eyes and such as well. But we're going to first add on 2 arms and 2 legs. Now these are not going to be really detailed, so we're just going to have 2 arms come off the body. And 2 legs come off down below. And if you want, you can kind of have one kind of kicking up and away like that. All right. And now it's for the face. And this is the little brush here. So we're going to do 2 eyes. So we're going to go right into our paint. I want to keep it nice and thin on the tip there. So we're going to do 2 eyes in here. 1 and 2. Make those a little bit bigger. Okay, and then I like to do just a couple little lines, kind of making it disappear into the mask of where his kind of the bridge of his nose would be. And then it's kind of covering there. And then my ninjas are serious. So we're gonna do downward slanted eyebrows, just like that. There's a few different takes that you can make on these as well. If you don't want to have the body, you can also do the head, which is really cute as well. And you can do these in different colors too. Like if your little one at home is a big fan of red or blue or anything like that. So 2 different little takes on it, but they're both really cute rocks to paint and hide around town. Perfect for beginners. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. And we also have an email that we send out that you can sign up for in the description below as well. Everybody have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.